backroom counting money. I was in the backroom counting money.
What's good, y'all? We back. We got a new unboxing from Evbase, the homies over there. We about to include the new dashboard trim because the one that comes with the Model 3 rear-wheel drive has that, you know, that gray kind of rug-like material. I'm not feeling it, so we about to include the all-white and let's see what we can do with that.
Backroom counting money, yeah. I was in the backroom counting money. Hold on, yeah. I was in the backroom counting money, yeah. Trying to make sure nobody stole from me. Hold on, yeah.
So we finally got out the box. This is the piece that we're going to put on the new dashboard. It's like a plastic material. Kind of glad by that. I was hoping it wasn't going to be suede. Thank you, Evbase. So let's get this installed. All right, y'all. So this is the final product. We got it installed. I would give Evbase about a 9, maybe 8.5 out of 10 because it did sit kind of flush. But then you got some areas where it's, you know, you still got the gray fuzzy still showing at the bottom. If you view it from a certain angle, like if you're sitting back in the seat, then you're going to be able to see it. It's a pretty solid product to replace carpet material on top of the dashboard for the Model 3 rear-wheel drive. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all follow for more content. I'm about to go grab some food. Y'all be easy.
Trying to make sure nobody stole from me.
What you still recording for?
Counting money, yeah. I was in the backroom counting money.